Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some of the most exciting AI developments that have just hit the scene. From lightning-fast text generation to emotionally intelligent TTS models, the AI landscape is evolving at an incredible pace. We'll explore each of these innovations in detail, discussing their features, potential applications, and what they mean for the future. First up, let's talk about Tencent's latest release, Huan Turbo S, launched on February 27th. This model is designed for speed, offering near-instant responses and reducing latency by a whopping 44%. But what does that mean in practical terms? Imagine asking your AI assistant a complex question and getting an answer almost immediately without the usual delay. Let's get into it. That's the kind of performance Turbo S promises. Turbo S uses a hybrid-MAMBA transformer fusion approach, which is a significant departure from traditional transformer models. This hybrid architecture reduces computational complexity and costs, making it highly effective for tasks like code generation and long text processing. For enterprises, this means lower deployment costs and faster processing times, which can translate into significant savings and efficiency gains. But how does Turbo S stack up against other models? According to various benchmarks, it competes head-to-head with top-tier models like DeepSeek v3, GPT-4, and Claude in areas like general knowledge, mathematics, and logic-oriented tasks. This makes it a versatile tool for a wide range of applications, from customer support to complex data analysis. If you're a developer, you can try Turbo S via Tencent Cloud's API. The model is available for free for about a week, after which pricing stands at 0.8 yen per million tokens for input and 2 yen per million tokens for output. This makes it accessible for both small-scale developers and large enterprises looking to integrate advanced AI capabilities into their workflows. In summary, Huan Turbo S represents a significant leap forward in AI speed and efficiency. Its hybrid architecture and cost-equal deployment make it a compelling choice for businesses and developers alike. As we move forward, it will be interesting to see how this model evolves and what new applications emerge from its capabilities. Next, we have Inception Labs' Mercury, a game-changer in text generation. Mercury uses a diffusion-based approach, which is quite different from the traditional autoregressive models we're used to. Typically, diffusion models are associated with image and video generation, think midjourney or OpenAI's Sora. But Mercury applies this concept to text, generating content in parallel rather than predicting tokens one by one. The big claim here is that Mercury can run up to 10 times faster than classic sequential language models. On NVIDIA H100 GPUs, it achieves generation speeds of over 1,000 tokens per second. To put that into perspective, traditional models usually require specialized hardware like grok or Cerebras accelerators to reach such throughput. Mercury's approach starts with a rough draft of the text and refines it simultaneously, resulting in faster and more efficient text generation. Early benchmarks suggest that Mercury holds its own against well-known speed-optimized models like GPT-4 and Claude 3.5. It offers lower latency, which could be a massive win for real-time applications like code generation, customer support, and enterprise automation. Imagine a customer support chatbot that can generate responses almost instantly, improving user experience and operational efficiency. Even respected AI figures like Andrea Karpathy are paying attention, calling Mercury's diffusion approach an intriguing departure from the usual autoregressive techniques. Inception Labs is marketing Mercury as a drop-in replacement for existing models, offering both an API and on-premise deployment. If this approach gains mainstream traction, it could open up a whole new era for text generation, especially for real-time applications that demand ultra-fast responses. In conclusion, Mercury represents a bold new direction in text generation. Its diffusion-based approach offers unprecedented speed and efficiency, making it a promising tool for a wide range of applications. As the technology matures, we can expect to see even more innovative uses and improvements. Now, let's move on to OpenAI's GPT-4.5. This new iteration offers enhanced contextual understanding, reduced hallucinations, and improved reasoning capabilities. But what does that mean for users? Essentially, GPT-4.5 is better at grasping the nuances of human language, making it more reliable and accurate in its responses. One of the standout features of GPT-4.5 is its multimodal capabilities. It can handle text, images, and file processing, making it a versatile tool for a wide range of applications. Additionally, it's multilingual, which is a huge advantage for global teams looking to generate and understand content in multiple languages. OpenAI has also put a lot of work into reducing hallucinations, those moments when an AI model just makes stuff up. By leveraging advanced training methods like reinforcement learning from human feedback, RALHF, GPT 4.5 better aligns its answers with what users want. This makes it a more reliable tool out of the box, especially for developers who have struggled with inaccuracies in previous versions. Another big highlight is GPT 4.5's improved reasoning capability. It's more adept at tackling fields where logic and detail matter, such as legal research, scientific exploration, and debugging code. This makes it a valuable tool for professionals in these areas, offering more accurate and insightful responses. In terms of stats, GPT 4.5 surpasses older models in accuracy, factuality, and overall creative intelligence. It even integrates nicely with APIs, allowing for advanced function calls and automation. For example, you might ask GPT 4.5 to make a function call to a database, parse the result, and then give you a final answer in structured form. This level of integration can significantly streamline workflows and improve efficiency. Looking ahead, OpenAI says GPT 4.5 is paving the way for even more advanced reasoning-based systems. It's initially available to ChatGPT Pro users and developers via API, with broader rollout plans in the works. For enterprises, now is the time to jump in and explore the robust, reliable features that GPT 4.5 offers. In summary, GPT 4.5 represents a significant step forward in AI capabilities. Its enhanced contextual understanding, reduced hallucinations, and improved reasoning make it a powerful tool for a wide range of applications. As it becomes more widely available, we can expect to see even more innovative uses and improvements. Finally, we have HYBRID-MAMBA's Octave, a text-to-speech model that brings emotional intelligence to the table. Launched on February 26th, Octave is different from traditional TTS models in that it can interpret not just the text, but also the context and emotional tone behind that text. This means it can produce speech that matches the emotional nuance of your input, making it more human-like and engaging. Traditional TTS models usually read words with a fairly flat or generic prosody, which can make the output sound mechanical and unnatural. Octave, on the other hand, aims to capture the emotional tone of the input, producing speech that feels more authentic and relatable. For example, if you type something like, "Are you serious?" in an exasperated tone, Octave aims to capture that feeling in the generated speech. HYBRID-MAMBA is focusing on bridging the gap between mechanical-sounding voices and something closer to authentic human communication. This makes Octave a game-changer for applications like virtual assistants, automated customer support lines, and accessibility tools. Imagine a virtual assistant that can change its tone based on the context, making interactions more natural and engaging. Octave also offers a host of customizable features, allowing users to tweak the emotional delivery of the generated speech. This could be really useful for things like interactive storytelling or brand-specific voice personas. For example, a brand could create a virtual spokesperson with a specific tone and style, making their communications more consistent and recognizable. Under the hood, Octave uses advanced natural language processing and speech synthesis approaches, with a big emphasis on emotional context. According to HYBRID-MAMBA, this sets it apart from other TTS systems that only focus on clarity and speed rather than nuanced expression. What's neat is that Octave might open the door to a variety of new creative applications. Imagine a podcast or audiobook with voices that can shift mood depending on the scene, or an educational tool that can change its tone to keep students engaged. HYBRID-MAMBA is also letting users try out Octave on their platform, which suggests they're looking for real-world feedback to refine it further. In conclusion, Octave represents a significant advancement in text-to-speech technology. Its ability to capture emotional nuance and context makes it a powerful tool for a wide range of applications, from virtual assistants to interactive storytelling. As the technology matures, we can expect to see even more innovative uses and improvements. And that's a wrap on today's episode. These AI breakthroughs are pushing the boundaries of what's possible, and I can't wait to see how they'll be integrated into our daily lives. Which one of these developments excites you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates on all things AI and tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.